In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Brave browser when it won't open or keeps crashing. If Brave is acting up, freezing, or refusing to launch, follow along as we walk through 4 practical fixes, starting with the quickest. After each fix, try launching Brave to see if the issue is resolved before moving on. First, try running Brave as an administrator. On Windows, locate your Brave shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a system prompt, confirm it. This gives Brave elevated permissions, which can bypass permission-related hiccups caused by system policies or file access issues. If Brave opens normally after this, you're good to go. If not, let's keep going. Next, disable extensions. Extensions are powerful, but a bad update or a conflict can crash your browser. If you can get Brave to open even briefly, type Brave/extensions into the address bar. Toggle all extensions off to test, or at least turn off developer mode if it's enabled. Close Brave and reopen it. If everything stabilizes, re-enable extensions one by one later to identify the culprit. Common troublemakers include ad blockers, script managers, or anything that modifies page content. Remember, the goal here is to isolate whether an extension is the cause. If that doesn't help, create a fresh profile or clear Brave's cache and site data. A new profile gives you a clean slate without touching your main setup. Click the profile icon in the top right of Brave and add a new profile. Then launch Brave with that profile to test. Alternatively, clear your browsing data. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Start with cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Choose a time range that makes sense. All time is the most thorough, but note that clearing cookies will sign you out of sites. Restart Brave and check performance again. Finally, check for conflicts outside the browser. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall to see if they're blocking Brave, then test the browser. Don't forget to turn security back on immediately after testing. It's also a good idea to update your graphics drivers, since outdated or buggy drivers can cause crashes or blank windows in Chromium-based browsers. Grab the latest version from your device manufacturer, install it, and reboot. Work through these fixes in order, testing after each one. Once Brave is stable, re-enable your extensions slowly and keep only what you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got you back up and browsing smoothly.